Guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Authenticator app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Authenticator app, you should just go to settings. Then we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here we click Authenticator. Then this page of app unfold, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.